Welcome back. In this chapter, we'll explore the theoretical perspectives surrounding artificial intelligence. We'll discuss the philosophical implications raised by AI, such as consciousness and ethics, explain the significance of the Turing test in evaluating machine intelligence, and explore ongoing debates and future directions in AI research. Philosophical implications. Philosophical questions raised by AI. The advent of AI has sparked numerous philosophical questions, particularly regarding consciousness and ethics. One of the central debates is whether machines can possess consciousness similar to humans. If we consider consciousness as the capacity to have subjective experiences, the question arises: can an AI system ever truly feel or experience anything? This leads to discussions about the moral status of AI. If an AI were to achieve a form of consciousness, what rights would it have? Would it be ethical to create machines that can suffer or experience emotions? These questions challenge our traditional notions of personhood and moral consideration. Philosophers like John Searle have argued against the idea that machines can have minds in the same way humans do, a position known as the Chinese room argument. According to this argument, even if a machine appears to understand language, it does not truly comprehend it in the way a human does. This raises critical ethical considerations about how we treat AI systems and the implications of creating conscious entities. The Turing test. Significance of the Turing test. The Turing test, proposed by Alan Turing in 1950, is a foundational concept in the philosophy of AI. It posits that if a machine can engage in a conversation indistinguishable from a human, it can be considered intelligent. The test evaluates a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior, equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. While the Turing test has been influential, it has also faced criticism. Some argue that passing the Turing test does not necessarily indicate true understanding or consciousness. For instance, a chatbot might convincingly simulate conversation without possessing any genuine comprehension of the content. This distinction highlights the limitations of using behavioral criteria alone to assess machine intelligence. The Turing test remains a significant milestone in discussions about AI, prompting further exploration of what it means for a machine to think or understand. By future of AI research, ongoing debates and future directions. As AI technology continues to advance, several key debates and future directions emerge in AI research. 1. Consciousness in AI. The question of whether AI can achieve consciousness remains a hot topic. Researchers are exploring various theories of consciousness and their implications for AI development. Understanding consciousness could help create more ethical AI systems and inform how we interact with them. 2. Ethical AI. The ethical implications of AI are becoming increasingly important. As AI systems are integrated into decision-making processes in areas like healthcare, finance, and law enforcement, ensuring fairness, accountability, and transparency is crucial. Ongoing research focuses on developing ethical frameworks to guide AI deployment. Research is exploring how humans and AI can work together effectively, leveraging the strengths of both to solve complex problems. 4. Regulatory frameworks. As AI technologies evolve, there is a growing need for regulatory frameworks that address the ethical and societal implications of AI. Policymakers and researchers must collaborate to create guidelines that ensure responsible AI development and deployment. In this chapter, we've explored the theoretical perspectives on AI, discussing the philosophical implications of consciousness and ethics, the significance of the Turing test, and the future directions in AI research. As AI continues to shape our world, engaging with these theoretical questions is essential for understanding the broader impact of this technology on society. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of AI and its theoretical perspectives.